There is a star out there that dims in a bizarre way, and scientists have no idea what's causing it. They did, however, suggest one very intriguing possibility: giant alien megastructures. The star in question is Tabby's star, located about 1,500 light-years away in the constellation Aquila. It was first noticed to be dimming by more than 20% in an irregular pattern back in 2012. At the time, scientists suggested several possible explanations, including a large planet passing in front of the star, which would explain why the light wasn't red-shifted or blue-shifted, meaning that it wasn't caused by the star moving towards or away from us. But in 2016, researchers at Penn State used the Hubble Space Telescope to monitor the star, and they found that the dips in brightness were happening way too frequently for that to be the cause. There are only a few hours between each dip, which rules out most natural phenomena, such as a large planet or even two stars orbiting each other very closely. In fact, the only known thing that could cause these kinds of dips in brightness are giant megastructures built by an advanced alien civilization. These megastructures would have to be miles wide and completely opaque in order to block so much light. And while that sounds pretty far out, there are some other intriguing observations that seem to point in this direction. For example, the dips in brightness don't seem to follow the star's rotational period. If they did, then we would expect to see a regular repeating pattern. But the timing of the dips seems to be completely random, which suggests that something is orbiting the star that isn't a planet or a moon. What's more, the star is also emitting huge amounts of X-ray radiation, much more than is expected from a normal star. This could be caused by material being pulled off of the star by a massive object, such as a black hole or a neutron star. Of course, it could be something less exciting, like a swarm of comets or a cloud of dust. But regardless of what's going on, it's clear that Tabby's star is not like any other star we've seen before. And while the idea of alien megastructures is still just a hypothesis, it's one that I think we should keep in mind as we continue to explore the universe and search for life beyond Earth. If you liked this video, be sure to check out my others about space and the universe. Thanks for watching.